What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Matt's Best Foods. We have a special treat today, and we've been looking for it, but we managed to find it, and that is ostrich. So we're going to be doing these ostrich steaks on the barbecue, braai, grill, whatever you want to call it. We're going to treat it a bit like chicken. We're going to do some lemon and herb with it, and maybe a few of them, not to kill everyone. We'll throw in a few of these red, beautiful thingies here that are hot like hell. But these are the ghost peppers. And we're going to maybe use a few of those, maybe make a sauce with it. I don't know. We'll see how things pan out. But you know what you need to do? You need to stay tuned, follow us through this whole process, and let's experience it together. Right, so to go with our ostrich steaks tonight, we've got some potatoes. We're going to do them roasted. So I've just given them a parboil. We'll chuck them in this big tray here. Then we're going to add some more garlic powder because we like it. And it does go very well with potatoes. Can't complain with that. So I'm going to throw that on there. Decent amount. Obviously some salt. A fair bit. There we are. And some pepper. Yeah, right. Then I'm gonna add a few dollops of butter. Now, it is a lot of butter if you think about it, but you can't compromise on flavor. That's what you need to get the best roast potatoes, so that's what you got to do. And furthermore, to add insult to injury, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to that too. There we are. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this all together, and when we're ready, we're going to throw it in an oven about 180 degrees Celsius. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but maybe if I can, I'll get that edited in there somewhere. Let them roast up, turn them every now and then, and yeah, just bring everything together and we're good to go. So everyone, before we start cooking the ostrich steaks, as you know, we like a bit of a snack beforehand. So here we've got some blesbok sausages. So we'll get these on the go. So if you're wondering what a blesbok is, it is part of the antelope family. I will, hopefully if I remember, leave a description. Or I'll leave the name in the description, should I say. And then if you're interested, you can have a Google and have a look what it looks like. So we're going to start off with these. Our fire is nearly ready for the ostrich steaks. And yeah, we'll bring it all together. Right, we're ready to start cooking our ostrich steaks. They've been marinating for, I think, at least 2 hours now. Let's get them on the grill. Fire is just right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to have them right on the direct heat, get a bit of a crust going, and then we're going to move them off to where it's a little bit cooler. So same as always, like with the beef, keep turning it until we get the crust that we want. And by the way, if you haven't seen that video yet, of the massive cowboy steaks, go back and have a look. You might find that you'll enjoy it. Testing. Yeah, just start and we can cut out the... Yeah, it's okay? Yeah, isn't it? Testing. Testing, saying things. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Matt's Best Food. Got to put an S on the end of that. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Matt's Best Foods. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Matt's Best Foods, and today we've got another treat for you, as always. Every day is a treat day at Matt's Best Foods. There you go. Some orange... fuck it. Some orange